So you started a Pinterest account for your new sustainable living brand. You're pinning what you think are amazing ideas, and yet you're stuck at zero. Crickets. It feels like you're shouting into the void, totally lost in the 2026 Pinterest algorithm, right? You see other people in niches like eco-friendly home decor and seasonal wellness just blowing up. And you're left wondering, what am I doing wrong? Well, you can stop wondering. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down the exact organic and tool-based hacks that can take you from zero to your first 1,000 followers in just 30 days. No fluff, no guessing games, just the proven strategies that are working right now. Forget waiting 6 months for your blog to get noticed. This is your high-energy sprint to getting real followers and real traffic. Let's get right to it. The biggest mistake beginners make is treating Pinterest like it's Instagram or Facebook. It's not. Pinterest is a visual search engine, and in 2026, its AI-powered algorithm is smarter than ever at understanding both text and images. Your first job is to tell that algorithm exactly what your brand is all about. This is your foundation, and it only takes 15 minutes. First off, if you haven't already, switch to a free Pinterest business account. This is a must because it unlocks the analytics we'll need later. Once that's done, it's time to optimize your profile for search. Your username and bio are prime keyword real estate. Don't just use your name. Tell people and Pinterest what you do. Instead of Jane Doe, try Jane Sustainable Living and Eco Home Hacks. Your bio needs to be just as direct. Weave in the keywords people are actually searching for, like beginner sustainable living tips for 2026 or eco-friendly decor and low-waste lifestyle. Next, you need to create at least 10 niche-specific, keyword-optimized boards. This is non-negotiable. Don't name your boards cute things like My Green Dreams. Get clear, not clever. Name them Media Group. Creating and naming Pinterest boards with keywords on sleek laptop, digital marketing planner, organizing eco-friendly Pinterest boards, and stock, distribute equally, sustainable kitchen products, 2026, zero-waste bathroom ideas, DIY, natural cleaning recipes. Think like the person searching for a solution. Before you pin any of your own stuff, go find 5 or 6 high-quality pins from other creators for each board. This immediately shows Pinterest's algorithm that your boards are valuable resources for that topic. This whole process, business account, optimized bio, and 10 keyword-rich boards, is how you signal your relevance to Pinterest from day one. You're building a searchable library, not a personal scrapbook. Now that your profile is set up to attract the algorithm, you have to feed it what it wants: fresh pins. In 2026, the algorithm heavily prioritizes new, unique content. This doesn't mean you need 1,000 new blog posts. It means you need to create multiple, unique pin designs for every single piece of content you own. For one blog post, you should be making at least 3 to 5 different pin graphics. This is a total game changer. You can use a different background image, change the headline, play with the color scheme, or tweak the call to action. The algorithm sees each of these as a brand new, fresh pin, which multiplies your chances of getting discovered. Your designs have to be scroll-stopping. We're talking high-quality vertical images, ideally in a 2 to 3 aspect ratio, like 1000 by 1500 pixels. And most importantly, you must use bold text overlays that are readable by AI. A pretty picture of a bamboo toothbrush is nice, but a pretty picture with the text 5 reasons to switch to a bamboo toothbrush in 2026 is what gets the click. That text overlay is another powerful keyword signal to the algorithm. Speaking of keywords, this is where you go from beginner to pro. Your pin titles and descriptions have to be packed with long-tail keywords. A great way to find ideas is to just use the Pinterest search bar. Start typing sustainable living and look at the auto-populated suggestions. That's what people are searching for right now. Your title shouldn't be my blog post. It should be how to start a sustainable lifestyle, 10 easy swaps for beginners. Write your descriptions in natural sentences, but make sure your main keywords are near the beginning. And don't waste your time with hashtags. They have very little value on Pinterest in 2026. Focus on searchable keywords. You've got a killer profile and a system for fresh pins. So how do you post for maximum impact without burning out? The key is consistency over quantity. You don't need to post 20 times a day. In fact, that can get you flagged as spam. For a new account in 2026, the sweet spot is pinning 2 to 5 high-quality, fresh pins per day. Doing this manually is a recipe for burnout, which is where a scheduler becomes your secret weapon. A tool like Tailwind is invaluable. Let's be clear. Using an approved scheduler does not hurt your reach. What matters is the quality of the content you're scheduling. With a scheduler, you can batch create your pin designs for the week, write your keyword-rich descriptions, and schedule them to post at the best times for your audience. This locks in that critical daily consistency without you being glued to your phone. But we're not just pinning to our own boards. To get more eyes on your content fast, you can leverage group boards. These are collaborative boards where multiple creators pin content on a specific topic. While some marketers feel their impact has lessened, pinning to a high-quality active group board with 10,000 followers can still expose your content to a massive, pre-built audience. Just be selective and focus on boards that are well-moderated and directly in your niche. Finally, get in there and engage. Pinterest rewards active users. Spend 10 minutes a day following 30 to 50 other accounts in your niche. Many will follow you back. Reply to every single comment you get on your pins. This activity signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable and should be shown to more people. You've laid the groundwork, you're creating fresh content, and you're posting consistently. Now it's time to listen to the data. This is how you turn that initial growth into a long-term strategy. Inside your Pinterest business account, you have Pinterest Analytics. This is your command center. Once a week, check which pins are getting the most saves, clicks, and impressions. Which boards are performing best? What topics are really landing with people? The algorithm is literally telling you what your audience wants. If you see your pins about natural cleaning hacks are taking off, that's your cue to create more content and fresh pins around that specific topic. Double down on what's working. The Pinterest algorithm is always evolving, so you have to be adaptable. Pay attention to new features. In 2026, video pins and collages are getting serious traction, so think about repurposing short clips or creating simple tutorial videos directly on Pinterest. As you grow past that first 1,000 followers, experimenting with these formats can help you scale your reach even further. Think seasonally and plan ahead. Pinterest is a platform for planners. People search for trends 45 to 60 days before they happen. This means you should be pinning your sustainable gift ideas in October, not December. Use the Pinterest Trends tool to see what's on the horizon and create content that meets the demand before it even peaks. And there you have it, the 4-part framework to take your Pinterest from 0 to your first 1,000 followers in 30 days. It's not magic, it's a strategy. We started with the 15-minute foundation fix, turning your profile into a keyword magnet. Then we made you an infinite content machine by focusing on fresh pin designs and SEO mastery. After that, we fired up the smart growth engine with consistent scheduling and strategic engagement. And finally, we showed you how to become an algorithm whisperer by using analytics to scale what works in 2026. This is the exact system that can take a brand new account from 0 to thousands of followers in the first month. The potential is huge, but it all starts with you taking action. So here's my challenge to you. Go create and pin 5 fresh ideas right now. Pick one blog post or product and make 5 different eye-catching pins for it using the SEO tactics we just covered. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. Now stop watching and start pinning. Your first 1,000 followers are waiting for you.